Hey guys, King Snake 1 here. Thought I'd do a short video of my everyday carry items. First off, we have the keys. Next we have the old empty wallet. For communication purposes, I have the old Motorola Razor. This is my olive drab and black paracord bracelet. The Leatherman multi-tool. This is the Wingman. My carry knife is the Cold Steel Recon 1. This is the 4-inch blade. Also, one of my favorites, the Swiss Army Super Tinker. And my everyday carry light is a Streamlight Micro Stream. I can't say enough good things about this light, guys. Alright guys, just a short video showing my everyday carry items. And until next time, y'all guys take care.